Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into this densely packed 5-step guide on how to attract women from the Sigma male perspective, complete with example situations. If you're a Sigma guy looking to up your dating game, this is the video for you. As you may know, Sigma males are often considered the lone wolves of society, with their introverted nature and preference for solitude. But that doesn't mean they can't be successful in the dating world. In fact, their unique traits can be incredibly attractive. So let's get started with step 1. Step 1. Embrace your confidence. Our first step is all about embracing your confidence as a Sigma male. This means showcasing your self-assurance, independence, and being comfortable in your own skin. To illustrate this point, let's take a look at the story of Alex. Alex was attending a mutual friend's party when he noticed Sarah, who caught his eye instantly. Instead of trying to be the life of the party, Alex approached Sarah with a calm and collected demeanor. He introduced himself, maintained eye contact, and engaged her in a meaningful conversation about their shared interests. Sarah was immediately drawn to his quiet confidence and felt at ease in his presence. Now, let's see another example of embracing confidence with Tim. Tim was known for his self-reliance and strong work ethic. When he met Laura at a networking event, he confidently shared his passion for his career and his future goals. Laura was impressed by his drive and determination, which led to a deeper connection between them. The second step is all about building genuine connections with women. This means actively listening to what they're saying, engaging in thoughtful conversations, and showing empathy. Let's take a look at Mark's story to see how he successfully built a connection with Lisa. Mark noticed Lisa, a woman who frequented the same coffee shop as him. Instead of trying to impress her with grand gestures, Mark would strike up thoughtful conversations about the books they were reading, their favorite movies, or even philosophical debates. Over time, they developed a deep connection that blossomed into a beautiful relationship. In another example, let's look at Ryan, who focused on creating a genuine connection with Amy. They met at a yoga class where they bonded over their shared passion for mindfulness and personal growth. Ryan took the time to truly get to know Amy and understand her perspectives, which helped their relationship grow stronger over time. The third step is about using your unique skills to impress and engage with women. Perhaps you're an amazing problem solver, have a creative mind, or are exceptionally talented in a particular field. Let's see how Ethan, a talented musician, used his skills to attract Mia. One evening at a friend's open mic night, Ethan took to the stage and performed an original song he had written. Mia, who was in the audience, was captivated by his talent and creativity. After the performance, they struck up a conversation about their shared passion for music, and the rest is history. Another example is Max, a skilled photographer. Max met Olivia at an art gallery where they started talking about their favorite artists and styles. Max shared his portfolio with Olivia and even offered to take her portrait. She was impressed by his talent and their shared interests, and their connection continued to grow. The fourth step is all about mastering the art of mystery. The mysterious allure of a Sigma male can be incredibly attractive to women, but it's important to strike the right balance. Let's see how Jason managed to keep Emma intrigued while gradually opening up to her. While attending a friend's art exhibition, Jason met Emma, who was intrigued by his quiet presence. Instead of revealing everything about himself right away, Jason shared bits and pieces of his life, maintaining a sense of mystery that left Emma wanting to learn more. As they continued to see each other, Jason gradually opened up, allowing their connection to grow naturally. Another story involves Derek, who met Sarah at a bookstore. Derek engaged her in a conversation about their favorite authors, but didn't reveal too much about himself. Instead, he asked open-ended questions, allowing Sarah to share her thoughts and opinions. This sense of mystery intrigued Sarah and made her eager to learn more about Derek. The fifth and final step is all about maintaining your independence. Sigma males are known for their self-sufficiency, and this trait can be very attractive to women. Make sure to have your own interests, hobbies, and social circles outside of your romantic relationship. Let's see how John managed to maintain his independence while dating Claire. John was an avid traveler and outdoor enthusiast. When he met Claire, they quickly bonded over their love for adventure. However, John made sure to maintain his independence by taking solo trips, pursuing his own hobbies, and spending time with his friends. This balance allowed both John and Claire to maintain their individuality and made their relationship even stronger. So there you have it, 5 steps to attracting women as a Sigma male, complete with real-life examples. Remember to embrace your confidence, build genuine connections, utilize your unique skills, master the art of mystery, and maintain your independence. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful Sigma male in the dating world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Also, check out the free masterclass below to get my full system on how to attract women and get them to chase you. If available and you are committed and ready, you can also apply for private coaching with me. Thanks for watching and take care until next video.